Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, 10 side hustles that can grow into full-time startups. Whether you're looking to make extra income or turn your passion into a career, these ideas are perfect for anyone ready to take the leap into entrepreneurship. Stick around because one of these could be your next big opportunity. Number 1, freelance services. First up is freelancing. If you're skilled in areas like graphic design, writing, or coding, freelancing is a fantastic way to start. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients. Over time, you can grow your freelancing gig into an agency or consultancy. 2, dropshipping. Next, we have dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store. Partner with suppliers who handle shipping for you. Many entrepreneurs have turned dropshipping into multi-million-dollar businesses. 3, content creation. Are you passionate about sharing your knowledge or creativity? Try content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Over time, your audience can become the foundation of a full-fledged media company. 4, print on demand. Print on demand is another low-risk business model. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Partner with platforms like Printful or Teespring to handle production and shipping. With the right niche, you can build a strong brand and loyal customer base. 5, app or website development. If you have tech skills, consider app or website development. Start by building small projects for local businesses or individuals. Gradually expand to create your own software or SaaS products. The tech industry is booming and there's no shortage of opportunities. Handmade products. Love crafting? Sell handmade products on platforms like Etsy. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or art, handmade items have a personal touch that buyers love. Scale your business by offering workshops or launching your own website. 7, online courses and coaching. If you're an expert in a specific field, create online courses or offer coaching. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to reach a global audience. Build your personal brand by sharing free tips on social media. This side hustle is perfect for knowledge-based entrepreneurs. 8, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Share links through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Focus on products or services that align with your niche. It's a great way to generate passive income. 9, event planning. If you're organized and creative, event planning could be your side hustle. Start small by organizing birthday parties or local events. Expand into corporate events, weddings, or festivals. 10, subscription box service. Finally, consider starting a subscription box service. Curate products for a specific audience, like fitness enthusiasts or book lovers. Build a loyal customer base with monthly deliveries. So, there you have it, 10 side hustles that can grow into full-time startups. To recap, 1, freelance services. 2, dropshipping. 3, content creation. 4, print on demand. 5, app or website development. 6, handmade products. 7, online courses and coaching. 8, affiliate marketing. 9, event planning. 10, subscription box service. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Startup Sparks, and hit the bell icon for more tips on turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.